Adjective parts of brain. What is the parts of a class of verb? Adjective, adverb, conjunction, interjection, nouns, preposition, pronouns are verbs identified according to the kinds of heights they use and the way they work. How many types in parts of speech? There are 8 types in parts of speech. Which are those? First one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adverb, fifth one is adjective, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, eighth one is interjection. First one is noun. Noun is a word. Denotes names of person, things, animals, place, etc. Rather, human, cars, etc. Second one is pronoun. Pronoun is a word which is used inside or place of noun, etc. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, etc. My sister Kajal Begum.